So let's address the creepy factor in the room. Is it weird to message your prospect and say, hey Bobby, I see you're on our website? The answer is not going to surprise you, but fuck yeah, it's weird. It's very creepy to be able to jump in and say to somebody, I see you and here's your name. We do not recommend that you reach out to somebody with their first name. Instead, what we recommend you do is you address the company visiting and talk about how someone at that company, whether it's them or their colleagues, have come by the website or shown intent. So what that looks like in practice is when you're chatting somebody, you can say something like, hey, Asana, thanks for coming by our site. What department or team do you come from? Even though you know what that person is like, what their name is, what their email is, all that kind of stuff, it's just the best way to start a conversation in a way that's low threatening. The second thing that people are oftentimes get creeped out about is if you turn on your video camera before you let them know that you're coming in, they're just navigating the internet, and then all of a sudden you're a video face right in front of them. See, the thing is they're gonna think that you are hacking into their computer and that you can literally look at them too. The truth is you can't. You can't see them, you can just see what they're navigating on the screen, but they don't know that. Before turning on your video camera, what we coach our reps to do and our customers to do is message saying, hey, real person here. I'm going to turn on my camera in a second to show you that I'm real. Don't worry, I can't see you. Flip on your camera for a sec, wave, beckon them to chat with you, and then turn off the camera to go back to chat. All it is to make them feel comfortable engaging with you. And then once you're actually having that back and forth conversation, that's when you turn on your camera, show a smiling face, prompt them for their camera, and turn it into a demo meeting right then and there on the website. So that's when I think about how to leverage Warmly's data effectively inside of chat.